once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you have not already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see here, we've got 3 dishes. We're going to do baked chicken wings. 3 ways, obviously. This one has got salt and pepper dry rub with some garlic powder. Then we've made a nice tomato, mayo, mustard dressing for it. Here, I've got a kind of curry, an Indian, curry spiced Indian chicken wing dry rub. Then we've got tomatoes, cilantro or coriander and some sliced onions. Really lovely that is. And then here we've got a kind of bit more of a spicy thing. We've got some smoked paprika, some chili flakes, and then we've got soy oyster sauce. They're just really fantastic. Anyway, these are just little ideas. I've had loads of emails about it. So, like I say, chuck in what you want, bits that you like. Let's go and do these. So let's start off with a really easy one. So chicken wings in there. I'm going to do like 7 pieces each. We're going to do a kind of nice salt and pepper one here. So I've got some lovely coarse ground black pepper and salt. And now garlic powder. We need to give this a nice little mix up. Back in a second. So there you go. Nicely kind of herbed. Very simple. Salt, pepper, garlic powder. That's it. Into the oven. Okay, so while the salt and pepper wings are in, let's move on. So another 7 wings here. I'm going to go this time with some chili flakes, smoked paprika and celery salt. Again, we're going to give that a mix, and that's also going to go into the oven. Okay, and then the final one, the 3rd one, I'm just going to go with a little bit of curry powder, some black pepper in there, and salt. Again, mixing this around. So we've got a kind of curry powdered one. We've got the smoked paprika, chili flakes, and then we've got the salt and pepper one with the garlic powder. Of course, there's loads of other ways of doing these, but I love these 3. So they're all going to go into the oven for the same time. I'll put that up on the screen. We'll get them out. That's the dry rub and the cooking of the chicken, and then what we're going to do is we're going to make a glaze or a sauce for each one. Okay, so there you go. All 3 are done. That's the salt and pepper with the garlic powder. That's the smoked paprika and the chili flakes. This is the curry powder. So you can eat them just like that if you want. And this one looks a bit drier because it's been cooked a bit longer, but yeah, that's the last one that just came out. So yeah, you can eat them exactly like that. But what we're going to do is make a couple of kind of sauces here. We can throw them in and sort of glaze them with. Okay, let's start off with the first one, which is really simple. It's only 3 ingredients. There's some vinegar there. Now I'm using a spiced vinegar. You could be using any type of vinegar you want. And then about equal parts of soy. I'm using a dark soy sauce. And then here, about the same, if maybe just a little bit more, of oyster sauce. Super tangy, this one. And again, you might want to put some kind of bit of wasabi in there, or some kind of very thinly sliced ginger or something like that. Super easy. So I'm going to use this one on our hot spicy ones, the ones with the chili. Just mix that over. Toss those around in that. And they really, really are really nice. Really nice. I love these ones. That vinegar really kind of comes out in it. And of course the oyster sauce, which is just amazing. I love that. Okay, that one's done. Okay, another really simple one. This is ketchup. This is a kind of mild chili or a sriracha kind of thing. So it's got a nice sort of sweetness to this one. A little bit of chili, but not too much. The ketchup really makes it quite sweet. Then we're going to add a little bit of chopped tomato, a little bit of thinly sliced onion, and some cilantro or coriander. We're going to give that a mix, and that's going to go onto our ones with the curry powder. So there we go. Nice little bit of curry powder on those ones, wasn't it? In goes that little mixture. Little mix, and then we can move on to our last one, which is the salt and pepper with the garlic powder. And this last one, really easy. This is again ketchup, equal parts of mayo, and here I've got some mustard, but this is an English mustard, so it's quite spicy. You could be using kind of American mustard if you want, which is, you know, nowhere near as fiery. In fact, it's very, very smooth, in fact, isn't it? Now, with any of these, like, you know, we put some cilantro in the last one, you could be putting in here some chopped fresh basil or some other fresh herbs. They always work really well. And there you go, you've got kind of a burgery sauce, this one. Love that. And that's it, there you go. We're going to put that onto our salt and pepper with the garlic powder. Now, of course, you can be just putting this sauce on the side if you wanted, but I'm sticking it on. One more mix of these, then we'll take a look at all three of them. And there you go. 3 baked chicken wings with a little dry rub and a sauce for each one. Like I say, these are just ideas. Really get in there and play around and add the things that you like into them. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.